In case you ever need to remove a public comment or block a user, this is possible via user moderation in the EventPilot conference app. From the Conference App Builder homepage, or via the left menu, you can access the moderation page, where you can moderate users and content to ensure that it is appropriate and relevant for your attendees. On the first tab, you can search for logged in users. The user card displays the name, email, and if applicable, their user type. If you need assistance related to a user, please send this ID number to your project manager. From here, you have other functions as well, like pushing a session into a user's schedule or blocking a user which prevents them from using the chat. And click OK, and click OK again. Click Blocked Users to see the list, and unblock a user unless, of course, they were spamming and were blocked automatically after sending 50 unanswered contact requests. If a comment in any of the public chats was flagged as inappropriate, you can review and remove it from the feed. Click the Show Reported Posts. Each card displays where the post was made, the text itself, when it was posted, by whom, and how many times it was reported. This first comment is truly irrelevant, so let's delete it. And click OK, and click OK again. And the comment is removed. This action cannot be undone. It may also take a bit of time for the post to disappear from the activity feed as the feed is cached. You can do the same for photos in the activity feed on the home screen, and delete anything that is inappropriate. Use the search to find users by name or email address. You can even remove social media posts from your activity feed. Social media moderation is currently supported for X. Simply click Remove. The original post remains on the actual social media site. It's just hidden in the activity feed within the app. If you are using EventPilot Pro, you can exclude irrelevant content by entering keywords, hashtags, or specific usernames. The exclusions apply to X and Blue Sky. The profanity filter that is built into the chat networking also applies to social media posts.